All right, so this week we'll be working on our skip counting by nines, getting us ready to multiply by nine, as well as working on getting ready for some fractions. So go ahead and practice your skip counting for twos, fives, and tens at home. We've done those so far. We want to make sure we're solid on them. This week it's nines, so we've got our countings diagram here. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is our number we're counting by. Then you count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Keep counting. Next we have 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Now, one cool pattern here with nines is if you take the digits that make up the nine, so like this first one, technically the 0 and the 9, you do 0 plus 9, you get 9. That doesn't seem too fancy, too strange, but if you then do 1 plus 8, because that's 18, 1 plus 8, also 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. I think hopefully we see the pattern that's happening here. So that can help you as you're like working through this counting. Because another pattern that we'll see is these first numbers increase by 1 each time, right? So as you count 9, and then you know the next one's going to start with a 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9, so it's going to be 18. Once you've done your 1, then you know your next number is going to start with a 2. 2 plus 7 is 9, so it's 27. So these are increasing by 1 each time. These, the second numbers, are decreasing by 1 each time. So there's a couple different patterns here that can help you out. So make sure you're practicing your counting by nines this week. We want to get it down where we can do it quite quickly, where it's as easy as 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Something that quick for you. The other thing we'll be working on is equivalent fraction. So a fraction just helps us show a part of a whole. So let's say you've got 5 friends, that would be considered our whole amount. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends. And 3 of them have brown hair. So those 3 have brown hair. 3 of the 5. Or might be talking about a piece of the pie. So if we take the whole pie, split it up into 8 pieces. So there's 4, 6, 8 pieces. And 6 of the 8 pieces are still there. That means 2 of them are gone. So there's 1, 2, 4. That would be 6 of 8. Okay, so fractions help us show parts that are less than 1, parts of a whole. What we're going to use them for is helping us work on our skip counting, but also find fractions that are equal to each other. So 2/5, our skip counting what's going to be is you count on top and you count on the bottom. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, for instance. On bottom, it'd be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this week you're going to have fill in the blanks where you're going to plug in whatever number comes next in the counting on top or on bottom. It's okay if you don't quite understand what's happening with these in general. We'll talk more about that later.